Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this 65-inch TV. This is, I'm not sure if I pronounce this the name right, Hisense. This is, the model number is 65U6H and it's quantum dot QLED series. This one you can see here, it's 2022 model, and it does have like smart Google TV, Dolby Visions, and Atmos voice remote compatible with Alexa, which is awesome. And record price is $7.99, and it shows right here that like it's the lowest in the last 30 days, and it's 40% off, so meaning you can get it for $479. And the ratings, you can see 4.5 out of 5, and it has a 408 rating, so that's not bad at all, and that's a lot of people giving it. Okay, let's see, forget about that one, save $20. This is the picture of it. We can go to the next pictures. This is the dimensions. You can see 35.7 inches from bottom to top. Horizontally 57 inches. And this is the stands, 13.6 inches. And that's the side view. And there's a couple, this is back ports. You can see HDMI here. It says something about 4K, I think. I can't see clearly, but there's a HDMI here, HDMI 1, 2, 3. And they have a couple old USB type A, and it has the Ethernet port for your connect, so that way you can connect it hardwired. And ULED technology, 1 billion plus shades. So suppose they should give you like really good quality pictures. That's how the remote looks like. As you can see here, it has Google, and then it has Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, I believe that's Peacock, Tubi, and YouTube, and Netflix. Quite a bit of already preloaded apps in there. Let's see what else. So Dolby Atmos and Dolby Visions. Those are the newer technology, high-end technology. Alright, so let's go down. Let's check on the review, see what they say about this. This was September 13th, November, almost like 2 months ago. Warning, Hisense information is a scam update. I'm almost embarrassed to keep adding to this review at this point. I just want people to know what can happen with promotions and online TV purchases, at least with Hisense Incorporated. It has now been more than 2 weeks since the TV I returned to Hisense and was delivered and signed for by Hisense representative. I sent a message to the promotion page 4 days ago, which promises to respond within 2 business days. It seems doubtful at this point that they will ever honor the promotions, even though my claim was approved. If they ever do, I will update this review, but as of right now, it looks bleak. Well, we're not gonna read all of this. You can read it yourself, whenever you get a chance. But this customer is really not happy about whatever experience they had with this TV or with this incident. But yeah, if somebody takes the time to write that much, it means they're not really happy with it. But let's go on to a few others. Okay, this one, 5 out of 5. Don't buy this TV or any TV from this company. The customer service is horrible. Are you serious? It's a 5, yet everything's negative. What's going on? Oh wow, look at this, another long one too. So what happened to all the positive reviews? I don't know. I thought it was 408 reviews. I don't know. So okay, let's look at this one right here. September 23rd. With this price, it's been the best options. This product is great for the price. I wished it was cheaper though. But let me tell you my experience about it. First of all the packaging was okay. It was easy to install. You need to screw 2 metal stands to the TV. The stand looks stable and firm. Then you have to plug it in, and that's it. It's easy, and anyone can do it. This one, 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5, and these are recently too, not that 4 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 5, 3. So like one of the couple of the reviewers mentioned with the price that you're getting, you can't really complain much because it's so cheap. It's like what, like $480 for a 65-inch. I remember like maybe 15 years ago when I bought my first projection TV. It's like 4500 65-inch Mitsubishi, and I even spent $500 on the warranty itself for 5 years, and I actually took advantage of it like one time where I had the tech come out and fix it, but that was it. Nowadays it's like so cheap, and especially for the 65-inch, of course they're gonna be like positive, negative reviews depending on the person. Sometimes it's on the carrier who delivers it. It's damaged, return the process. But just read more reviews, read the product descriptions, and see if you like it. But I think for the price, I think it's a pretty good deal. Okay. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.